Texas's highest court halted an order late Friday night that would have permitted Cox to get the procedure because of medical complications. Kate Cox has left the state to get an abortion following a late-night decision Friday by the Texas Supreme Court that blocked her ability to terminate her non-viable pregnancy under a medical exemption. Cox, 31, is at the center of an abortion lawsuit that has garnered national attention as the Dallas-area woman fights to get an abortion for a fatal fetal diagnosis despite Texas's bans. Cox's doctors advised her that carrying the pregnancy to term could be harmful to her health and future fertility, according to the case filed last week by the Center for Reproductive Rights. Advertisement, this past week of legal limbo has been hellish for Kate. Her health is on the line. She's been in and out of the emergency room and she couldn't wait any longer, said Center President Nancy Northup according to a post on X. This is why judges and politicians should not be making healthcare decisions for pregnant people. Advertisement. The abortion rights group did not say where or when Cox would have the procedure. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than DFW. Public health alerts. Get the latest coronavirus and public health updates. Email address. By signing up you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than. Submit. A Travis County judge issued a temporary restraining order Thursday morning allowing Cox to receive the abortion. State Attorney General Ken Paxton petitioned the Texas Supreme Court to block that decision late Thursday night. The state's highest court temporarily halted the order, saying the justices would weigh in on the case when they had more time to consider it. Before suing the state, Cox said she experienced severe cramping and unidentifiable fluid leaks before her baby was diagnosed with full trisomy 18, a condition that makes it highly unlikely the baby will survive long after birth if it's not stillborn. The suit alleges that Cox is at risk for severe complications because of her 2 prior cesarean sections and elevated vital signs. Advertisement. Legal experts said the case could serve as a model for similar situations in the other 20 states where abortion is outlawed or restricted. A pregnant woman in Kentucky filed a lawsuit Friday arguing that her state's near-total abortion ban violates her rights to privacy and self-determination under the state constitution. Under Texas's abortion bans, pregnant people can only get an abortion if they have a life-threatening physical condition or are at risk of substantial impairment of a major bodily function. The state Supreme Court is currently reviewing another case, Zarofsky versus Texas, that includes 20 women who say their abortions were delayed or denied because the exemption definitions were unclear. Related stories. View more. Letters to the editor. Kate Cox's story. Plano ISD. Sandra Day O'Connor. Dallas County, Texas Supreme Court blocks DFW woman's right to an abortion in late-night ruling.